name is Jitendra Dabi.
Jodhpur, Rajasthan. My engineering institute name is Mayurakshi Institute of Engineering and Technology. First, I want to thank you that you ran a training program even in bad times. I have tried to make some program that I want to show you. First, I import some libraries in first column. It is very useful for fundamental scientific computation in machine learning. Then, what is machine learning? Basically, machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence or AI that provides computer with the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. Basically, AI and machine learning is different to each other because AI is self-dependent. Machine learning is uh, access with some libraries and processing and some so on. So many process. Second step is data pre-processing. Um, Pre-processing refers to transformation applied to our data. Then we load the Boston. Then third step is my put the data into pandas data frame. Features. What is features? That is very important. This is very important. What is feature? Feature selection is the process where you automatically or manually which contribute most to the prediction variable or output in which you are interested in. Feature output is this, then feature age is column we use, and then output is this. Then target, what is target? Target, we take a target, and this is values of target, output target, and this is maximum target and this is minimum target. I will show in this concatenate features